Hey folks, today is February the 24th. It's currently 9:30 in the morning. Just getting everything set up right now. Vendor just got in the room. Got his chart up here. So he's getting settled. I'm going to go ahead and pause it and I'll come in once we get started. There he is here now. All right, be back momentarily, guys.
All right, guys,
Just wanted to give everybody a quick update here. As you can see, the ES has dropped considerably here. And I just checked forexfactory.com. Looks like we have news coming out at 9:45 and also 10 o'clock, but as you can see, we're already getting some pretty heavy drops here, so I'm not sure what's causing that. So we'll just continue waiting.
watching down here, want you to see down here aggressively. See if this holds down here.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it again, and I'll come back once we actually get some calls.
Order canceled.
All right, guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick peek here. He did just enter a trade. So we're going to watch this and see how it turns out here. I'm so used to using pending orders, I might just have to do what he does and just click on buy market, sell market. Because you can't always depend on the market to give you a little pullback to get you in. So that's something I'm going to work on myself here.
Let's see, I don't trust this. Put it down here. Stop. All right, let's just see. Put it down here, guys. kind of don't trust this at this point, you know. Break-even stops, guys. Break-even stops. I don't trust this. And it stops us out. Looks like. I'm looking to buy it again. Looking to possibly buy it again down here. All right, guys. I'm buying it.
Order filled.
Bit of tick below the market. Let's see what happens. It's a big area down here, guys, so I'm just taking a little bit of risk on the market. A couple $100. And if we turn up from here, possibly can even add, because this is a really, really big area down here to hold. So we're risking like $200, gang. That's about what I'm risking on about, say, $3,500, $4,000 or $5,000 account. We typically do really well. Yesterday we made a few $100. A little bit of risk for a lot of reward. But nothing really in the forex market, guys. Last night, nothing, absolutely nothing. We had one little trade. We made some money, but everything else really just a dead market last night. So we're not going to look at forex anymore. Now there was literally nothing last night. It was like pulling our hair out, you know. Even the S&Ps, these markets are so deep down here, oversold, that I'll give it a shot here. If it doesn't work out, I'm just going to call it a day. I'm not going to be risking any more money than one trade. I'm not going to do it. So if they hold down here, great. Otherwise, we're in the middle of nowhere. So I'm doing this off the open because the market just opened. They're oversold. They give the first push down off the market open. The day session open, not the 24-hour open. And 9:30 Eastern is the time when they open. So watch it and see if we can make some money. If so, we're just going to close it up. So it's going to, hopefully we have a fast morning here. But if my stops at break even, we don't want the market to come down there anymore.
Guys, the market came right to my first profit target. Did not go through it, but we came right to it to the tick. I'm really hoping it doesn't come right to my profit target. There it is, finally.
Big level. Big level coming. Not do with anything else in Forex today. I mean, we were struggling last night.
Stop filled.
And watch this. See, look at this. This is horrible. Seriously. So we have break-even stop. Guys, I'll be right back. Tight stops in the market. Look at the buy side. Break-even stops. Just never know. Just break-even stops. Let's see what happens. Just cover commissions. You have stops. We have covered commissions. We can't lose. We can only make money. See what happens here.
As you guys saw, that would have been enough to give me my first 10 tick profit target, but I did miss that entry. But we'll see how it does for him. See how they hold here, gang. Let's see how they hold. We're down at break even. Can't win here, guys. Can't win for losing. Break even stops. Have no risk on the table, guys. No risk. No risk on the table. If they push all the way down here again, we're going to buy them down there. Most likely. Come on.
to make money, if it's tough, then walk away. Not every day's Christmas, guys. No risk on the table. Zero risk at this point, guys. Zero risk. Yeah, doesn't look like it's going to happen. Trying again. All right, again, guys. One more minute. Big level right here. Big level right here, guys. Big level right here. Watch, see if they hold. Okay, guys, if it starts coming back above here, this could be a nice buying opportunity, so we'll watch it. 89.50, 90.25 up in here for a possible buy. And the guys watching the buy side. Watching the buy side. All right, guys, buy side.
Order filled.
Stops down here. Okay, one more time. Stops 89.75. Break even stops over there. Maybe
Stop
stops
filled.
a little bit lower, right? The stops there. Let's see what happens. If they come down again, we could buy them again. No big deal. Buy them even lower. If they stop the set and they flush down, we look to buy them again, okay? Markets are making it hard for us to make any money this morning, aren't they? Jeez.
Came down and got me out by about one tick, I believe, and looks like it's now trying to shoot up.
89.75. 89.75. I wouldn't worry about a tick. I'd like to put my stop even lower, quite honestly. Yeah, 90 stop, okay? 90 stop, that way you can't get hurt. 90 stop. We're looking at 92.50, try and get above there, see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. This is a severe downtrending market. It is so difficult down here. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable how hard it is down here. Okay, no matter what, we're going to get paid. 91 stops. 91 stops. All right, guys. Anywhere up here, you can exit. Close them up. Close them up. Close them up. All right. So I ended up at about a $300 net today, which is not bad, right? You guys did okay? Okay. Well, you broke even, whatever. Point is, we gave it. Yeah, guys making money. Some guys broke even. Good. You didn't move your stop fast enough. We never even knew you were getting stopped out. What are you talking about? $900. Good. You guys made some money. So, guys, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back to sleep. I'm exhausted. I had Austin Godfrey come in last night, and I literally was up about 30 hours straight after Forex with him since yesterday. So what we're going to do is I'm going to leave the profits up and say goodnight. All right? Because I'm not doing anything else anyway. No Forex. There's no Forex being done today. No more futures. We did the futures. I showed you guys how to make money. I'm not teaching. So you know what? I'm not going to sit here. I'm not going to sit here and just talk to you guys. Big Daddy needs some sleep. If you are late, then come back tomorrow. We rocked the markets today. Called it an early day. Can't fault the kid for that. I put money in your pocket, I'm going back to sleep. Welcome to my life. Can you see that on the screen, guys? Can we see it on the screen? Pretty clear? Okay. I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to go back to sleep. I just want to make sure you guys made money. That's all. Goodbye.
All right, guys, so another interesting day in the trade room. As you guys saw, he did make several good calls today. I was able to catch one of them. The second one that I was able to jump into, it actually came down. It took me out by 1 tick before, shooting up to the direction that it was supposed to. But it was a break-even trade, so I didn't lose any money on that one. But as you guys saw, he actually had his fill. I believe it was 1 tick lower than mine. And I've seen people in the chat room ask if we should use our stops or his stops, and he always says that we should use his stops. So if I would have used his stop, I would have still been in that trade. But it is what it is. Some habits die hard, and that's something I'm going to have to work on personally. And the same with trying to get in the trades faster and not use pending orders. Something else you guys might have noticed when he does call trades, one of the issues with me with using pending orders is I'm used to, systems where the market, just bounces around a little and then comes down and fills me. But with this system, once he makes a call, the market doesn't tend to go against you initially. The market, goes in your direction, pretty heavily. And that's obviously a good thing. That is a good thing, but it just makes it more difficult for somebody that's used to using, pending orders. So I'm going to try to just start using the market orders like he does in the room. I've already been trying to, but it's just a habit of mine to use the pending orders. Anyway, another great day in the room. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For those people that got signed up yesterday and last week, I hope you guys made money today. And if anybody else is interested, definitely click the link below to get more information. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Take care, folks.